Wow, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another slip stream and happy new year to all of you. In fact, God has been so good to us, He has protected us, and if today is 1st of January 2026, we give the Almighty God a wonderful praise and we adore His name for the kind of wonderful things that He has done for us. Please, this new year, be the first person to subscribe to my channel and also be the first person to give this video a like. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give you the amazing sleep stream as we begin this year. And today I'm going to do a very wonderful sleep stream right in the bare floor. As you can see, there is the tiles that I'm going to sleep on it right now. You see, I don't have a pillow, guy, but guys, let me go for pillow right now. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So actually, I'm really back with my pillow that you are seeing right now. As I've told you, my pillow is not in a good condition. As you are seeing, the curtain is easily seen, as you can see over here too. But guys, anyway, let me give you the amazing vibe of this live stream on this floor right now that you are seeing. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Please, as I said, as we begin this new year, can you be the first person to subscribe to my channel, and can you be the first person to like, and if possible, can you be the first person to share my videos to friends and families. Alright, folks, thank you so much for watching this new year slave stream to this far. And I actually wish you good luck in all your activities as we start or begin this new year today. And I trust and hope that things are going to turn out in this or with this new year. Kindly be positive in all your ways as we begin the new year. Thank you very much for watching the video to this end. As I said, sorry, in the start of the video, that let this new year, as you begin, kindly be the first person to subscribe to my channel. Kindly be the first person to like my video and share as well. And see you in my next video. Respect to you all. Bye bye.